y'all. Join in the surge. Let the good times roll.
When it says 3, that means like Should we hit the front?
Look out, Bayou, here we come.
Any fans down here? Come on, wherever you are. Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Sonico band she found can play. Hallelujah!
No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got itty bitty little buddy.